Get ready to immerse yourself in nature. This guided meditation will help you let go of anxiety and stress. Move your phone around to explore, or you can just close your eyes. Make yourself comfortable. Take a moment to breathe. Let everything else go. Breathe deeply in through your nose and breathe out through your mouth. In and out. Imagine yourself on this beautiful beach in Vietnam. You look up and it's a beautiful sunny day with clear skies. The sun is not too hot, just bright enough to keep you warm. You look down and see your feet in this cream color sand, so soft between your toes. You look at the horizon and you take a deep breath in. You can smell the sea. You see the waves gently hugging the shore. Just let this moment fill you up. You sit down on the sand or on this comfy blue lounge chair, whatever is most comfortable for you. Lie down, relax your body, and breathe. Relax your toes, relax your feet, your legs. Adjust yourself so your back is comfortable. Relax your arms to your sides, rolling the shoulders back and down, letting your arms relax even more. Relax your fingers, your neck, your jaw, your cheeks. Relax your tongue if it's stuck at the top of your mouth. And relax the space between your eyebrows. Feel your body getting heavier and heavier, drifting away into a more relaxed state, releasing any tension in your body. Stay there and breathe. Take another deep breath in, deep breath out. Notice within yourself, is your mind more quiet? Is your breath more smooth? Do you feel refreshed, relaxed? Now you're ready to take on the rest of your day. Imagine if you did this every single day. Subscribe if you want to feel like this again.